Hello. Azure Fundamental AZ900, AZ900. Forbes has recognized this is the 15th most demanded certification in the world. If you want to change the job, you want to move into new role, or maybe you want to increase the salary, so this is the right choice for you. Or if you want to explore the cloud computing, so Azure is taking number one in the world in the cloud computing, a cloud service provider. So I'm gonna tell you to how to crack the exam easy 900. Go out and take your favorite beverages and sit with me. I'm gonna tell you to how to crack the exam. My name is Raman Narang. I'm cloud incident engineer and working with Azure. So basically it's only take maybe a week or 2 weeks to crack the exam. It's basic exam and does not need any required background certifications. So Azure AZ900 is a basic depends on the cloud like Azure core computing, core concepts, identity governance, and security and monitoring parts. So I'm gonna tell you the next videos. So how to crack the exam, how to go the cheat sheets, and how to move hands-on on the Azure. Thank you. Have a great day.